Why is latent heat removal critical for HVAC energy efficiency? Imagine walking into a room on a hot, humid day. The air feels sticky, and your air conditioner kicks in hard. Have you ever wondered what makes it work so hard? Well, a big part of that is managing moisture in the air. When warm, moist air passes through an air conditioning system, it loses some of its water vapor. This process releases what is called latent heat. Removing this latent heat is a key step in making HVAC systems run smoothly and efficiently. Latent heat is the energy needed to change water vapor into liquid water without changing temperature. When the air cools below its dew point, moisture condenses on the cold coil inside the air conditioner. That condensation releases latent heat into the system. To keep the indoor environment comfortable, the system must remove this heat along with the sensible heat, which is the heat that raises the temperature of the air. If the system doesn't remove enough latent heat, it might try to cool the air too much just to get rid of moisture. This overcooling wastes energy and can cause discomfort. Energy efficiency depends a lot on how well the system handles both sensible and latent heat. Removing latent heat properly helps keep indoor humidity at a comfortable level. High humidity makes people feel warmer and can lead to increased energy use because the air conditioner works harder to remove moisture. On the other hand, if humidity drops too low, it can cause dry skin and breathing issues. So, balancing humidity is essential for comfort and energy savings. Removing latent heat also impacts how much energy the system consumes. Phase changes, like condensing water vapor, requiring a lot of energy. This means that removing moisture takes more energy than just cooling the air. If the system is designed to handle both sensible and latent loads efficiently, it can operate with less energy overall. Some advanced systems use separate processes to cool the air and dehumidify it, like combining vapor compression cooling with desiccant dehumidification. This approach can cut down on energy use and improve performance. Understanding psychrometrics, which is the study of air properties and moisture content, helps engineers design better systems. It allows them to calculate exactly how much moisture needs to be removed and how much energy that will take. This helps in selecting the right equipment and setting the correct control strategies. In the end, managing latent heat effectively is vital for making HVAC systems more energy efficient. It helps control indoor humidity, reduces unnecessary cooling, and lowers energy bills. Proper latent heat removal also extends the life of equipment by reducing strain on the system. So, whether you are designing a new system or operating an existing one, paying attention to latent heat is a smart way to save energy and keep indoor environments comfortable.